Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to ask some question from you, so please give me answer. What you learned from previous video? Please tell me everyone. What did you learn from previous video? Sorry. So please tell me guys what you learned. Now here I clean my face. I have done so. Now I'm using the moisturizer, lightweight moisturizer. You can see it's not for sale. So it's I got from Nika Minimalistics Skin Science. It's very light moisturizer, so I am taking here. So you can see I take and now I'm applying. So I'm applying with brush. You can see this video I complete everything from brush. So you can see result of when you apply brush. It's very perfectly and it's hygiene maintain. You can hygiene maintain if you do something from brush. When you do with hygiene work, then you apply with brush. It's brush you can apply this time. It's very important when your skin have open pores. If your skin have open pores, that time you can apply with brush. It's very important and minimalist. I'm applying concealer. It's concealer. You can see guys. So I take little bit orange concealer and dark skin tone. So it's mix. I mix here after I'm applying. Very light and little bit quantity. You use much more orange concealer. Every time you can use little bit quantity from orange and mix match after you applying peach concealer, because my pigmentation doesn't have more darkest. You can see guys. So you can see I have dark circle. So apply very light pressure with brush. Okay, it's complete. My correcting face I have complete. So if you have light pigmentation and dark circle very light, then you use only peach concealer. If you don't have that time, you can do mix both concealer skin types and both concealer mix and make it very light peach tone, and after that applying there, when you have that, there you have only dark circle and dark pigmentation. Like most probably we will see it's have like up mouth circle and dark circle area. It's very pigmented. So you apply only there. Understand? Got it point? So please comment what you understand. What did you understand from my video? Okay. Now I'm applying foundation. You can see it's Forever 52 foundation. It's ultra definition liquid foundation, and its shade is Cheesecake FLF011. You can write there and you purchase it. It's full coverage foundation and very flawless foundation. You make base foundation. If you want to make a base bridal base, you purchase it. And if you are beginner and you want to do bridal makeup, you don't have much more budget, so you purchase it and make bridal base also. So you can see I give you result. You can see it's very full coverage. You can see guys, it's very light from my skin, but I mix another foundation with it, so that time it will be my skin types. Okay, I use only because I want today my base will be very fair. I want to fair base. So you can see the result of foundation. Now I am contouring my face with contour dark color concealer. I will take and create pout and nose contour, and I am contouring here also. You see forehead contour. Which part you have to do contour? You don't know where you contouring. So you can learn from this video which area you have to contour. You need to contour. So you can see. Now applying blush. Guys, you don't know, if you don't know which part you can apply blush. So you can see this one area you can apply blush. Okay, this part is blush area. Okay, got it point. Now I hope this time if you see this type face cut, you can understand basically easily, very easily, which part you have to apply contour. This area, if you have broad area forehead, if you have broad, that time you apply here contour, and cheekbone also. This area only contour part. Okay, you can see guys. Now I am highlighting my points. Today maybe your doubt have much more. Today your doubt will be complete to understand. Doubt is clear. Today doubt is clear which part you have need to highlight point and which part you have to need contour part. Maybe your doubt have clear. Okay, if your doubt have been cleared, please one like, give me one like and press icon button. You got and it's blending here. Blend proper, which place you have to apply and that place only blend, don't spread everywhere. Now you can see the result after blending. It's not much more fair and dark. It will be like create a shadow to my face. If you have broad face and broad area and square face shape, you want to oval, so you have to need contour, much more contour. I have already need much more contour. Nose contour also, my nose is not perfect, and my cheeks and jawline is not perfect, so that's why I have to need create a shadow. What do you mean of contour? Do you know contour? What is the mean of contour? Contour is only create shadow, not cut your face. Okay, highlight points is, you can see it's a highlight point. Highlight point, you have to need to highlight that points. I mean जो part उभर के दिखे, like you want to need oval shape, so you don't know how to create. The first of all contour, this one the create shadow and dark, and you want to highlight some points. That's why then जब आपका contour shape जो है ना वो like shadow create कर देगा, then आपको need होता है कि वो highlight चीजें, कुछ चीजें होती है जिनको आपको थोड़ा उभार के दिखाना होता है. इस shape you can see the highlight point, and now my blend, my base creates it beautiful. You can see if you are a beginner, so you can learn from my video, and it's totally to create, it's totally video only beginner, only for beginner. You can see my base. Wow, very nice. And if you want to learn something new, so please comment here and tell me. Sorry guys, that time I'm create video and I forget my voice is disconnected that time, so I give you information some things. Now I'm applying. I had asked for a makeover. What did they do after we have 3 makeup appointments? Our price was fixed. They simply gave us the same price as which was fixed for one person, but after 3 makeup appointments they got, I have got that price, and later they say there was something wrong with the makeup. The makeup was not done well, this was not done and that was not done. So what do you guys ever do if you fix it? First of all, set your price this much for one bridal, 2 bridals, whatever it is, fix it right. Then you don't have to do it after the you get there. If they do, then take their advance first. If they are booking any bridal buckets or makeup, it's very important to take any advice, otherwise you will regret it later. That's why I wanted to tell you these important things. If you want to do all this now, if you are a beginner, please continue with it and definitely get the price first. So please remember every time, so what do you want to do with bridal booking. Okay, powders. Do you know powder is a game changing part? It's when you when that time I'm using like powder, magic powder, transparent shade, it translucent powder. So then you have to need highlight, that time you use only there when you have to do highlighting points, so you can apply there. And before powder and after powder, you can see the result of this side. I am applying the powder and create, and you can see the difference both. So now you have to need, you take the powder and after you create a line, sharp line, so it's very matte look. It's give you matte look. If you want to create matte look, you use the powdery powder. You can see also so both sides what is difference of my makeup. So one side I have already applied, and one side I am applying front of you, so you can see. And what you learn, please comment and tell me what do you want to learn and what did you learn from this video. So guys, I want to ask something like whenever you do your makeup, which like what challenge do you face? Did you face? So if you face some challenge, so please comment here and tell me. I give you suggestion. So now look at my base. It's very beautiful and very nice. Sorry guys, that time when I do makeup, I forget my voice is disconnected and I don't remember. Now whenever you do makeup, that time do you face this challenge, like if you don't know how to do get glossy look and how to do matte look? So if you don't know, so please comment and tell me, and I give you suggestion. And this is my matte look, and when I applied, if you want to apply like a very little bit powder and much more glittery, so it's glossy look. Okay, so if you want to, maybe this video So very helpful for you if you want to learn and if you watch it till end. So what you do, this is very long video. If you want to if you want to very short video, so I can do. Please comment and tell me what do you want, what do you need to do. So now I'm uploading 3 or 4 videos. No one has comment in there. So now I'm set my eyebrows and brush my eyebrows. So you can see the difference before I set eyebrow and after set eyebrow. You can see now I'm apply tape, cello tape. This I'm do complete my eye makeup. Today I create Radha-Rani look. So you can see the result of Radha-Rani look. So now you can watch till end and you learn everything properly. So if you want to learn something other, so please tell me. Okay. So now in front of you I create the flawless my base look. Now I'm creating the eyeshadow. Take eyeshadow and create my eye look. First you take brush, fluffy brush, and you blend proper. Okay. So I take sky blue shadow. It's very when you blend the eyeshadow, that time you have to need to plug your brush, like you catch your brush mid side. Okay, don't to take a front and a little bit far. It's you will take the mid handle. And now I am doing the cut crease eye look. So it's very hard for everyone. It's very hard for do yourself your eyes makeup. My deep eye shade. So you can see I'm creating the my deep eye shape. So you can see I'm creating the cut crease. Okay, guys, very hard to speak English. I'm like I think what I want to say, what to need to speak front of you, I forget, and my English is not it's not perfect. I am doing practice front of you, but right now I'm not get the satisfaction answer and result. I give 1 year also in FA to speak English, but it's not, I'm not satisfaction. And you can see my English is not proper, like very fast and very clear. I have not no vocab, but nobody has with me. So nobody has with me who's correct my vocab and learn me new things. I am alone and I want to need how to get new vocab, how to take which one help, I don't know. So you can see my look and it's Radha-Rani look. You can see if you like this look, and so please subscribe. And nobody help me, and you are also not help me to speak English, and I want to need how to correct my English, how to speak. I give 2 year also already. So today I am demotivated front of you. When I speak I forget and I don't know, and I don't have new vocab. So leave it and see my my look and tell me what you learn from this video, what you get from new things these videos. And please love it my video and share. Please help me to take English properly, speak English. So we will meet next video, and I come with a new videos, and so give you something new from my video. I try to do anything to like create, and I share my techniques with you, makeup related to makeup. So I come soon. So please take care, and please help everyone person who's need to learn English, and support everyone everywhere. So bye, take care, and we will meet again next video, and I will try to give you new things my new video. Okay, so bye.